In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS in Webflow. Before we get started, please note that to add custom CSS, you'll need to have an upgraded plan with Webflow, as embedding code is a feature reserved for paid plans. Let's dive into the details. First, you'll want to navigate to your website editor within Webflow. Once you're there, look for the plus sign, which is usually positioned in a convenient spot on your editor interface. Click on this plus sign and a menu will appear. In the search bar of this menu, type Embed. What you're looking for is the option to embed code. This is where you'll be able to insert your custom CSS code, giving you the power to style your website beyond the default options Webflow provides. However, as I mentioned earlier, this option will only appear if you're on a paid plan. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm using an unpaid plan, so this option isn't available to me here, but I'll guide you through what to do if you are on a paid plan. Now, there's an alternative way to navigate to the code section if you're having trouble or prefer a different method. Let's dig into that. Start by clicking on the hamburger icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This will take you to the dashboard. You might notice that it takes a bit longer for the screen to load, but there's no need to worry. Just a little patience will do the trick. Once everything is fully loaded, locate the gear icon or the Site Settings tab. This section is crucial for customizing various aspects of your site, including your custom code. Within the Site Settings area, you'll find an option labeled Custom Code. Click on that and you'll be at the stage where you can embed your custom CSS. Keep in mind that just like the embed feature within the website editor, the custom code section also requires an upgraded site plan. Unfortunately, without it, you won't be able to proceed in adding custom CSS to your site. This is a great reason to consider upgrading your plan if you haven't done so already, as having the ability to fully customize your website can greatly enhance its design and functionality. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add custom CSS to your Webflow site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please remember to like the video and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides like this one. Thank you for watching and happy designing with Webflow.